the truth.
Yo, what is up, everybody? It's your boy Omega here, bringing you another video. And in today's video, we are going to be, doing something that I don't usually do. And we are going to be covering this phone, my new phone that I just got a week ago. And it is the LG Stylo 4. And I know I don't really do this on the channel like I just said, but I did a video just like this one regarding my old phone, the ZTE Blade Z Max, and they got good views, so I said fuck it, let's do it again with the LG Stylo 4, and it's been getting some good reception in the phone community, so I said fuck it, let's do it. But I'm not gonna drag anymore, and let's get right into it. But this the phone's features are, let it focus, the 4G LTE enabled, Android, 6.2 inch full vision 18:9 display, 13 megapixel PDAF rear camera with Q lens, 5 megapixel wide angle front facing camera, 32 gigabytes of ROM, 2 gigabytes of RAM, 1.8 gigahertz octa-core processor, and in the box it is pretty concrete. LG Stylo 4 phone, obviously, the stylus, the SIM card, charger with USB data cable, which happens to be Type C, not USB, and the quick start guide, which no one ever reads. That's me at least. Also Bluetooth, Wi-Fi capable. Obviously, what phone doesn't nowadays. The Qualcomm Snapdragon processor, and here we go, hearing aid compatible, Android, this and that. But let's get right into the phone box itself. I have obviously used the phone before, since I've had it for a week. Let me just cover up because it has the IMEI, so let me just cover up the phone, because my phone on the back has the IMEI. But here's the phone. A lot of people are saying it was glass, but no, it isn't. It's like a type of hard plastic. It's really really durable, really sturdy, but it is not glass, so don't worry about it. But you are still going to be wanting to get a case, because this does scratch easily, and it is a fingerprint magnet. But here it is, like, there is no carrier logo. I'm not sure if Metro PCS does the carrier logo. I'm not sure, because there's another version of this coming to Cricket, but I'm not sure if it's gonna have the Cricket branding on it. But it does say LG on the back right here. Here is the camera. Sadly, it's not a dual camera like the Blade Z Max, but right under the camera is the flash, and right under the flash is the fingerprint sensor, which is really quick. There we go. Let's move the box to the side. But the design is actually really clean, dude. To be honest, it is like a really premium design. This phone was $205 for me, but that is because I'm an existing Metro PCS customer. But if you port a number, you can get this phone for as low as $30, which is pretty crazy. But $205 with everything, activation, the activation, the tax, the phone itself. I chose this over an iPhone. I've never been an iPhone type of person. I prefer Androids, and when it comes to Androids, I always go to LG, because they make some really good phones. If the budget phones are good, the higher flagship phones are going to be even better. But as I was saying about the design, it is really clean. This back part is plastic, and this front obviously glass. But the chassis, the sides, some type of metal, I forgot what it was, but it's this metal, look, I don't know if you can hear it, but it feels really sleek, really clean. Feels like an iPhone, to be honest. iPhone 7 jet black, to be exact. But here are the here, let it focus. As you guys can saw right here, the power button is on the left side right here, and the volume rockers are on the right side, both of them, as well as the SIM card tray is right here. Let it focus real quick. But the SIM card tray is right here, and on the bottom you have the 3.5mm head jack, noise cancelling headphone, the Type C charger port, the speaker, which is actually on the bottom and not the back now like previous models, as well as the stylus. It is not on top anymore. On top is the noise cancelling mic. But let's see if it loads, or if it there we go. There goes the SIM card tray. But let's get into the phone itself. And this screen like does not look like that, like kind of, you know, coming out like that. It's like that because I actually put on tempered glass. But on the front here is the 5 megapixel camera, along with the microphone and the speaker, as well as the notification light, which I really liked about my LG Stylo 1 and 2. And this fingerprint sensor is actually remarkably quick. I almost forgot the word there, but the system UI is actually really quick too. Like, considering this only has 2 gigabytes of RAM, it actually holds up really good, to be honest. But let's go right into the settings, so I can show you guys like what comes right out the box. Let me see, about phone, and let's go into software info. But clearly it comes with Android version 8.1, and the last security patch was actually 2 days ago, June 1st, 2018. So Metro PCS was on their shit with this phone. Like, this phone I had to wait like a few days because it had sold out. But like, this phone is in really high demand, and if you're able to get it for $30, $70, then you really need to go get it. Like, I don't even know what's up with me today, but you need to go get it, because this phone is actually like amazing for the price that it is. Even though I could have opted for, you know, an iPhone or something better like that, but I've been wanting the LG Stylo, and when I heard that they released a new version, I was like, I need to get on that, dude. Like that, dude, because this ZTE was getting on my nerves. You don't even know. But it is like way too fast, considering the 2 gigabytes of RAM. But a lot of people have been wanting to see what the emojis look like, and people aren't even, like, you know, helping people out like that. But here, I'm gonna show you these emojis. I believe these are the Google Pixel emojis, but you do have the iOS, I think 11 emojis, if that's the latest iOS version. But you have all of them. You see, you have that one, this one, this one, this one. You know, you have a lot of the iOS 11 emojis. They're the most recent emojis, and they're not those ugly ass, you know, other Android emojis. They're actually the most like current, recent emojis that you could possibly have on an Android. So that's actually really cool. And this also has alright, I don't want to expose my contacts, but this actually has the HD calling, as well as FaceTime, not FaceTime, but, you know, video calling right in the dialer itself. So if you're trying to call someone who has a phone that is compatible with video calling, then you're good to go. Basically, you know, essentially, if you want to FaceTime, you could use this or Google Duo, but, you know, most people are going to opt for that. It also has the Amazon Assistant, when you could actually, you know, just take a picture of the item that you want, and it'll send you right to it. Here's the camera. The camera, in my opinion, is not that good, to be honest, compared to the Blade Z Max, but it is a semi-decent camera. Like, I don't have that many complaints about it, and low light is actually kind of bad, but if you have good lighting, then it can come out pretty clear. Let's just take a quick picture of Jordan over here and see how that picture comes out. Like, with a flash, the picture comes out really clean, really crisp, as you guys can see right here. You get a lot of detail. But when it comes to you know, a picture with no flash, it's kind of dull. Here, let's see, how did that come out? Kind of dull, a little bit. Not used to, you know, that kind of dullness, you know, coming from the Blade Z Max. But this phone is, you know, remarkable for the price, and I've always been an LG person, so I guess you could say I'm biased, but I just really enjoy the phone. You know, there's barely been any times where there's been an issue with the Play Store, or with loading apps, or, you know, even watching a YouTube video. This phone is way, like, remarkably quick compared to the Blade Z Max, and from many videos I've watched, and, you know, all this and all that, the Stylo 4 is actually way faster than the Blade Z Max. Obviously, with it just coming out this month, or last month actually, this can load up, you know, websites quicker, the Play Store quicker. I'm not sure if you were aware, but they're or not, probably not that you've been aware, but you you and your Android might have not had this issue, but when you try to download an app on the Play Store, it would just say download pending. That would happen a lot with the Blade Z Max, never with an LG. And it just this phone just kept showing me how good LGs really are. Like, I have had absolutely no issues with this phone, except for maybe, a little slight, crash or hiccup while I'm using it. So maybe the screen can crash for like a second or two. But that's probably because I'm like trying to multitask like a lot when notifications coming like boom, 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 like crazy. But as I was saying about the back, right? How it scratches easily. I got 2 cases from Amazon. I got this black one and this clear one. Cause clear cases, they're so sexy, dude, especially on a black phone. But do not, I'm telling you, do not get screen protectors or do not get cases at Metro PCS at the carrier stores. Get them on Amazon, dude. Get them on Amazon. I got both of these cases along with the tempered glass. The tempered glass came with this black case, right? The tempered glass along with the case, as well as this clear case, as well as another screen protector that came with the clear one. Both of those, all that, right? The screen protectors, the wipe cleaner for the screen protector, the 2 cases, everything, $15, dude. With Amazon Prime, it was $14.24, $14.97, something like that, and it came 2 days later, dude. Do not get fucking scammed by those carriers trying to make you buy like $30, $40 cases along with $20 screen protectors. Do not do that. When I went to go get this phone, they were trying to sell me the screen protector, not even like the tempered glass one, just a plastic screen protector like this one, right? As well as 1 case, an outer box case, for an additional $50. That is fucking crazy. When I got all of this, right? All of this, the glass, the screen protector, everything, the cases, for $14.97. Like, do not let yourself get scammed like that. But yeah, that's about it. Hope you enjoyed the video and hope it was helpful. And trying to influence your opinion for this phone. I'm trying to cover, anything that other people aren't covering that, I want to know. But like I said, showed you guys the emojis. 2 gigabytes of RAM. It is actually really fast. Oh, as well as, I said already, 32 gigabytes of storage. And on Snapchat, this is actually a really, really fast phone. It has, when you're recording a video or using a filter, it does not lag at all. So yeah, it's a really usable phone, really good for videos, really good for basically any of your needs. And something that I just remembered, if we go to YouTube, let's see, let's just put the volume down. Let's go onto this video, okay? If we go onto YouTube, and if you press the home button, you get like free YouTube Red. You get like free YouTube Red. You can like over here multitask, do whatever you really want, and you can still watch the video on top of there. Like, let's go into the Fortnite companion app. The app is gonna load, and you can still watch a video. You can still do whatever you gotta do and still have the video on the side. And like, that's crazy. You could go back and click on it whenever you want. Like, this phone is amazing. I have yet to be let down with this phone. In my opinion, you really need to go out and get this phone. There's a lot of, secret features that people are not talking about. So if you really get into it, like, this phone can be comparable up to a flagship, like, a Galaxy S8, something around that. But the only thing that's really affecting this phone is the 2 gigabytes of RAM. Even though it's not really noticeable, PUBG runs really fine, really smoothly if you're playing on the lowest graphical settings, because the lowest graphical settings don't even make it look that bad, and it still runs really smoothly. So that's about it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave a like and subscribe, and tell me no, or did you guys just hear me? I said tell me no. I'm so done. But let me know if you guys want to see me, play games on here or whatever, or, just show you guys anything else that you guys want to see on this phone that could help you with this phone, or not help you with this phone, but let you know a little bit more about this phone. So, because I'm always willing to help. But yeah, that's about it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave a like and subscribe to join the Omega Nation if you haven't already. But yeah, I'm out. Peace.